This is Matthew from the Windows Club. If you encounter the error, the computer has rebooted from a bug check on your system, then either read through this article for the resolution or simply watch the video. I will guide you through the procedures. The first solution is to perform an SFC scan. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar and select Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. In the elevated command prompt window, type the command SFC /scan now and hit Enter to invoke the SFC scan. Reboot the system once the scan is completed. The second solution is to update Windows. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, click on Check for Updates to update Windows. The final solution would be to restore your system to an earlier date, and this will fix the problem for sure. Search for Recovery in the Windows search bar. Click on the option for Recovery. In the window that opens, select System Restore from the menu. If it asks for administrator permissions, please click on Continue. The System Restore window will open. Select the restore point and choose Next. Proceed through the System Restore process to revert your system to that date's settings. Reboot your system. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.